Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on pictures using shapes. One way to help kindergarten students become familiar with shapes is to incorporate them into different pictures. Let's look at some examples. Here's the first picture here. You can ask the students, for the picture to the left, what do you think the picture represents? What is the green shape? What is the red shape? How many triangles are there in total? What is the total number of shapes altogether? So you can discuss this with students and help them to answer the questions, and they can check their answers on the next slide. So here they are, the answers for each of those questions. Now we move on to the next slide. For the above picture, what do you think it represents? How many circles are there? How many rectangles are there? How many triangles are there? Name one other shape in the picture that is not mentioned in the questions. Again, you can discuss this picture with the students and help them to answer the questions. And they can check their answers on the next slide. So here are the answers. And you can talk to the students about those answers and see how they went. And here are just some examples of questions you can give, and I'm sure you can think of many others. Draw a picture which is made up of triangles, squares, rectangles and circles. Name the picture and state how many of each shape are contained in the picture. Draw a picture which consists of at least 3 different shapes. You can explain to them the meaning of at least. Name the picture and state how many of each shape are contained in the picture. So this video has used examples of pictures to help students become familiar with different shapes. And it's a pretty good way to go, and you can give them many more examples to help them.